name's Mick Dysart. I'm the Plant and Transport Manager for B Groundbreaking Ltd and Services. We currently operate in the region of 70 vehicles and 600 items of plant, which we use primarily on our own contracts on the West Midlands Gas Alliance and also for Carillion on the electric contract. Mick Barrett is the Managing Director. He oversees all departments. He started as a sole trader with his father, and the company's grown since then. Up until 5 years ago, he had a team working with him of 2 or 3 men. But since the start of the Gas Alliances in 2005, he's branched out, and we are where we are today with 100 employees. We work nationwide with the vacuum excavators mainly. We've carried out contracts in London and recently in Drax Power Station in North Yorkshire. Year 1 and 2, the company was pretty static. We're just finding his feet really on the Gas Alliance because it's a new concept for everybody. In year 3, we bought the vacuum excavators, which were a massive investment, a cost of around £4.5 million. The Dino 3 MTS vacuum excavator is quite an innovative piece of equipment. We use it mainly on our own work, but we do hire out to other companies. Depending on the length of hire, the price obviously changes. We'll go from a spot hire day rate of £1,500 down to long-term deals with various companies. We're currently on a 12-month contract with Morgan Est and the West Midlands Gas Alliance to supply 3 rigs. It's a 26-tonne truck based on whatever chassis you prefer. We prefer the Mercedes or Iveco. At the start of a new project, the first person on site is a supervisor who mark up the street along with the CCTV surveying crew. They'll mark up for all the utilities in the ground, as well as where the camera operator needs his inspection pits digging out. Then we bring in the vacuum excavator who will excavate the camera holes. The site is then cameraed, all services are marked up for gas replacements, and we'll bring in the vacuum excavator again to follow up, and that's continuing throughout the job. We aim to start on the site, camera and survey, excavate and reinstate within 5 working days. We try to keep disruption to a minimum because we're working mainly in one estate, so people can see a bit of progress being made. We recently were awarded a safety award by Morgan Est at their supply chain conference, and we're also nominated for in 2 other categories. On collection of the Dino 3s in Germany, we undertook some training for the first set of operators. The suppliers come to our premises in Wolverhampton and train up new operators as and when required. We took delivery of our first vacuum excavator in April 2007, and by January 2008 we had our 8th delivered. They've made an enormous impact on the company in man hours saved and also in the cable strike rate. Our main role is in gas replacements on the West Midlands Gas Alliance. In year 1 we replaced in the region of 60 kilometres. By year 3 we completed 86 kilometres, and this year we've set a target of 110 kilometres of replacement works. The next 10 years hopefully vacuum excavation will be the norm.